The Lewisburg mascot is preparing for an upcoming battle, so the students of Donald H. Icorn Middle School are traveling to Thermal Product Solutions, also known as TPS, to test the armor and weapons to ensure it is battle ready.
We design industrial ovens and environmental test chambers here at Thermal Product Solutions. These can be used for a variety of applications.
We manufacture products for many industries such as electronic, automotive, defense, and aerospace industries.
Now that we know what TPS does, let's go down to the work floor to take a closer look.
The cool part about manufacturing is seeing a product that comes into our facility. It's raw material when it comes in, and we weld it, bend it, shape it, paint it, and build it all from the ground up.
There would be lots of products that do not exist today if Thermal Product Solutions was not here. We thoroughly test or make equipment that thoroughly tests many products you see out on the market today.
The goal of TPS's ovens and chambers is to test products in extreme conditions. Without TPS, important items like smartphones, medication, and even coffee mugs wouldn't be ready for the world.
It takes a lot to get from a raw material and out the door and to a customer's facility and to meet all of the order specifications that a custom application might require. So we take time to organize all of the criteria and materials and work out all of the kinks before it hits the production floor.
All employees at Thermal Product Solutions are an essential part of the manufacturing process.
My role is important to the process because I help direct my team on what to test and when it needs to be tested. I help follow through with quality problems and make sure that we are testing to meet customer standards.
The Dragon's armor exceeded all expectations and is ready for battle.